In this video, we'll look at how to reference a book or ebook in APA7th style. There are two main facets to referencing a book or an ebook. One, an in-text citation, and two, a corresponding reference list entry. An in-text reference will appear in the body of your text, where a citation is required. A citation is required when you quote information from an outside source. Next, let's look at some examples of general do's and don'ts when it comes to APA7th. Our first referencing example is a print book. When referencing this book, your in-text reference should look like this. The author's surnames, Clulo and Swan, comma, 2018, the year of publication, inside parentheses. Another way to reference in text is Clulo and Swan, 2018 in parentheses, notes that, and the rest of the sentence follows. For the reference list, it's important to look at the formatting. Here, the two authors' names are inverted and separated by the ampersand sign. The date, 2018, is in parentheses, and the title is in italics, A Complete Guide to Frogs of Australia. And lastly, the publisher. Hypothetically, if this was an edition, second, third, fourth, etc., it would need to appear in your reference list like this, in parentheses and after the title. Our second example is an ebook. Here we have a single author. The formatting is the same as it would be if it was a printed book. In your reference list, you have the author's name inverted, Neonarchus, comma, first initial M, full stop. Then you have the date in parentheses, 2020, full stop. The title of the book in italics, Recycling of Flexible Plastic Packaging, full stop. Elsevier, the publisher, full stop, followed by the URL. The URL will indicate where you got the ebook from. Our final example is an ebook that has a DOI. In APA7th, a DOI is always preferred. Because this book has 3 or more authors, the in-text reference would read the lead author, Woods, et al, full stop, comma, the date of publication, 2017, inside parentheses. For the reference list, you'll need to list all the authors, the date of publication, the title in italics, including the subtitle, publisher, and the DOI. These 3 examples will give you a sense of how to reference a book or ebook in APA7th, but there are a few things to keep in mind. Keep an eye on your punctuation. Full stops and commas are important. Capitalize all the names of proper nouns as appropriate. DOIs where provided and publisher names are now standard for both print and ebook formats. And where an ebook is accessed from the general web with no login required, include the full access link, as seen here highlighted. For more information on APA7th, including examples and some comprehensive instructions, you may find the library's APA7th LibGuide useful. As always, if you have any questions, head over to Ask the Library for more help and information.